Hello, horses. What you think? What you?
Say, well, you know, we're looking for treats, but
Yeah, we don't have any treats for you.
I don't have any treats. I could ask if I could go give you one of our apples
Yeah.
or carrots.
Oh.
Yeah, like I said, they're.
Well, hello, friends, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Silver Lake, Oregon, at the Silver Lake Cafe and Bar. This is a Harvest Host, which is we're going to be staying here tonight. Cool little place. Let me turn the camera around, give you an idea what the place looks like. We'll go in and take a little video inside, show you what the place is like. So we're here with Maria. Here is Amanda.
Hi.
Right? So Maria, tell me a little bit about your bar and cafe.
So I've owned it since 2016.
Okay.
I bought it. It had been closed for almost 10 years.
Ooh, wow.
And came in and had to do a lot of work to open it up. I worked here when I was 14 years old. And it was actually built as a John Deere shop and customer service side in 1952. And then in 1965 or so, Rita Smith built the restaurant. They closed the customer service side of the John Deere.
Okay.
And then we had another restaurant at the end of town called the Oasis Cafe, and it burnt down. And so Bill Caldwell came down and built the bar and opened the restaurant and bar, and I worked here for about a month and a half. I didn't like it as much, so I left and went and did haying, drove a swather and rake and all of that. So every year I'd come home and see this place. I have friends that I've had for 59 years here, and I would just get super sad because it was so run down. And so I just got it back to life. Redid windows and everything and opened it up, and I've been going strong for a little over 8 years. I'm in like my 4th month of my 9 years.
How many people live in this town, do you know?
100.
Boy. so
Well, we've lost a couple, so I guess 98.
yeah. Okay.
I graduated with 12 people, and that was from 5 different towns, and we had to go 52 miles to high school one way.
So, all right. So let's look around here a little bit and see what we got. And Maria can kind of give us a tour, or Amanda can, or both of you can.
Yeah, man, give them a tour. I'm going to say hi to some customers that are coming in.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right, Amanda.
Well, welcome to the cafe side.
Yeah.
We have our lovely sodas and the coffee. We have a great French roast. I'd say the best in the area. It's our quaint little space, rustic. We love it here. It's a home away from home, that's for sure. But we go through here, and we have the bar side, which is
Okay, this is the bar side. All right.
down the hall and to the right, our bathroom area.
Uh-huh.
A little bit rustic, but
Now, Maria gave us a little bit of a tour of the bar a little while ago when we
Yeah.
first got here. So this is pretty, this used to be a John Deere,
a shop.
where
Yeah.
they worked on them or whatever.
Yep, exactly.
Okay.
Now it's cafe, bar.
Yeah, this is where all the action is in town, huh?
Heck yeah. This
We
is
got
the
a pool
hot
table.
spot.
Yeah. So we got all kinds of, I was checking out your little tables. These are pretty cool.
Oh yeah.
Those are
Nice solid. I think a friend gave these to Maria.
pretty solid, aren't they?
They're very solid. They've been here for quite a while.
Yeah. How long have you been here?
I've been with Maria here at the cafe for just over 2 years now. So.
Okay.
And I came from Boise, Idaho, about 2016.
What brought you here?
Just trying to get away from the familiar in the city, and kind of got stuck here a little bit. My dad lives out here, and he's been doing farming out here for 20 years almost.
Okay.
But
Gotcha.
love it.
All right. So we got all kinds of, look at, we got all kinds of antlers, and we got some skeletons. And a little while ago, Maria was telling us about, let's get the camera up there. You can see it on that brand. And she found the brand while she was digging outside, digging a pit for was it pig roast or something, I think is what she said.
I
Not
believe
sure.
so.
And she's not really sure where it came from, but it's pretty old.
Yes.
And she's got some people that are going to try to figure out.
It is very old. She's
Yeah,
told me that
what
for a
it
few times.
was.
Yeah.
So this is just a cool looking little place. Val and I are going to come in and have dinner here tonight. And oh, sounds like somebody's in. So we'll go back into the cafe here.
Welcome. I love this. How are you doing a YouTube channel? How are you doing? Pretty good.
Well, we just wanted to give a little bit of a tour of where we're spending the night as a Harvest Host.
Oh, cool.
And do you know what Harvest Host is?
No, tell me about it.
Maria, how did you got into Harvest Host?
Is RVers and Winnebagoers that travel around, campers, and they put me on the map with free advertisement for my restaurant, and people book to stay in my parking lot, and they either make a donation or come in and have food in the restaurant and the bar. And,
Good food.
Yeah, good food.
Yeah.
So yeah.
We have stayed. There's I don't know somewhere between 3,000 and 5,000 Harvest Host places across the country.
Yeah, it's such a great thing. So
Yeah.
last year I joined in like August and I probably had 100.
Yeah.
And
Is that right?
this year I've booked probably 70 already.
Wow.
So I'm expecting like 1,000 people,
Isn't that
which
amazing?
builds up the business. Which
We just need to hook up to that, huh?
because they give you a map.
Mhm.
And then you can book. Like if you're on that site, then you're hitting places that you never would have hit before.
No. Yep.
Homemade food, the best homemade food. We got all kinds of different really good burgers, and we've got
Desserts.
a lot of desserts. Everything's homemade.
Homemade.
Yeah. That
You
sounded
know, the
good.
spicy Argentinian beef and
Yeah.
curry and
Yum.
Yeah.
And
Sounds good.
tomahawk steaks, I heard all about.
oh yeah,
That's what she's got tonight.
Melt
She
in your
said.
mouth.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's why I was trying to talk them into earlier because it's amazing.
I'm going to close this video out and let you guys eat and let
Thank
you
you
get
so
busy.
much. And you're on my birthday.
Oh yeah.
Today's my birthday.
Today's your birthday. How cool. All right. Well, you need a birthday cake, Amanda.
No cake for me.
No
Make
cake.
yourself a cake.
I guess not.
No. All right, look at that. Happy birthday right there. All right, well, I'm going to close this out and we'll head back over to the camper. So thanks for sharing all the
thanks
info
for
about your
doing
place,
this.
and we'll be
Yeah,
back
I
over to
appreciate
eat
it.
a little bit. Do you have a website or
I
anything?
have Facebook, Silver Lake Cafe and Bar. I have Instagram.
Okay.
I have Google, all of them. So all you have to do is Google Silver Lake Cafe and Bar and it'll come up.
There you go.
And we've had a movie made here that was
Oh,
filmed in
cool.
this area.
Yeah.
That's on Prime.
All right. Cool.
Really good movie. And I've been featured in 3 different magazines for the best homemade food.
Ooh,
So Cooks Across America, Willamette Weekly, and Home Cooking.
cool.
So yeah.
All right, well, it sounds like you guys better come check out this place. I know we're going to be checking it out tonight. All right, so thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.